Yeah, we are right here at Regina and Richard's farms at Aton area of Onibuku. What we are doing right here now is to make a construction to separate the ponds from the other parts of the farm. The idea behind the separation is to ensure that the fish are secured. So the posts you are just seeing are some of the posts that will be used as pillars to separate the ponds from the entire farm. The workers are right there working. So at the end of the day, we will be able to separate these ponds from the entire farm. From what you can see so far, we have about 8 of these poles. They have been erected already, and in a short minute the barbed wires and the barricades will be fixed to them, after which there will be an opening for anybody who wishes to enter the pond arena. So these are the poles, like you can see. By the end of the day today, we must have put the barbed wires or the barricades so that the ponds will be separated from this entire farm. That is what we are doing right now. Earlier this morning, we have been able to transfer some of our seedlings from our Yesi headquarters. These are some of the seedlings that are waiting to be transplanted at some corners of the ponds. So far, some plants such as pepper seedlings have been transplanted this morning. The idea of putting the plant is to ensure that the ponds are provided with adequate shades as time goes on. So these are some of the pepper plant seedlings that were just transplanted from our Yesi headquarters this morning. We have a couple of them. I think there are up to 15 seedlings that were planted this morning around various parts of the ponds. Yeah. Once again, we are at Regina and Richard's farms at Ota area of Ogun State. This is one of our smallest ponds. I think there are about 10 ponds here. This is the smallest, and we have bigger ones like this. About 4 big ponds like this. While we have I think 4 smaller ones. So that is exactly what we are doing here today. So at the end of the day, with these poles you are seeing, the pond area must have been demarcated from the general farm so that the fishes will be well secured. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. I'm reporting live from Regina and Richard farms in Ota area of Ogun State. That is not all. See, from our headquarters, we were able to convey some quantity of manure from our headquarters that we will use and